Welcome to the Move Over Limit Vehicles Efficiently main system, also known as MoveMe user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through navigating the shopping cart in MoveMe at movememain.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe user tutorial videos link. Once a permit application has been approved by a MoveMe agency user or has been self-issued by MoveMe, the permit will be available for purchase in the shopping cart. The shopping cart can be accessed from the shopping cart button, which provides a summary of what is in your shopping cart awaiting payment. Clicking the shopping cart button will list permits that are in the shopping cart. Approved permits will remain in the shopping cart until they are purchased or until their start date. Once the start date for the permit application has passed, the approved permit will be deleted if it has not been purchased. To purchase permits in the shopping cart, click the shopping cart button on your dashboard and then click the Go to Cart link. The Permits Ready for Payment and/or Printing screen will be displayed. From this screen, you can click the View Permit button to view the permit details or the Cancel Permit button to cancel the permit. Check the Pay checkbox above each individual permit in the shopping cart that is to be paid. Please note the Order Total panel displays the total dollar amount of the permits selected for payment. To pay for the permit selected, click the Pay Now button. The Pay for Permit screen will be displayed. Verify the permits listed for payment are those that were selected for purchase. Click the Pay for Verified Permits button to continue the payment process, or click the Cancel button to return to the company dashboard. The payment information screen will be displayed. Select the payment method from the drop-down list and click the Submit button. If billing account is chosen, the payment will immediately be processed. If credit card is chosen, you will be redirected from MoveMe to the credit card processor site. Continue processing through the payment screens, entering the required information. The Issued Permit screen will be displayed when the payment transaction is complete. To view the permit, click the blue Permit Number hyperlink. This will display the permit in a PDF file to print or email as needed. The permit will also be delivered via the delivery method selected during the order permits process. From this screen, users can return to the dashboard or order another permit. On the company dashboard, verify the permits are displayed with a status of issued. The permit can also be accessed by the permit number hyperlink on the company dashboard. This concludes the MoveMe user tutorial video on navigating the shopping cart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.